Hey everyone, the Amazfit Bip 6 is a budget-friendly smartwatch, priced at $79, specifically designed with fitness enthusiasts in mind. With its sleek aluminum alloy body, the Bip 6 combines durability and style, available in 4 colors: black, charcoal, stone, and red. The 1.97-inch AMOLED display is striking, offering a bright screen with up to 2,000 nits of brightness, making it easily visible even under direct sunlight. Equipped with Amazfit's BioTracker 6.0 sensor, the Bip 6 excels in health and fitness tracking. It can monitor heart rate, blood oxygen levels, stress, and sleep patterns, helping users stay on top of their well-being. For those who enjoy varied workouts, the Bip 6 offers over 140 exercise modes, including options for endurance and HYROX racing, ensuring it caters to a wide range of fitness preferences. Additionally, it includes features like automatic rep counting for strength training and AI-powered coaching, which can be particularly useful for those looking to improve their performance. Outdoor enthusiasts will appreciate the Bip 6's offline navigation capabilities, including round-trip routing, which is great for those venturing outdoors for their workouts or runs. It's also 5 ATM water-resistant, making it suitable for swimming or getting caught in the rain without concern. When it comes to functionality, the Bip 6 provides a range of useful features, including voice-to-text responses, Bluetooth calling, and message notifications. The Zep Flow voice command system adds another layer of convenience for users looking to interact with the watch hands-free. The updated Zep app now includes camera-based food logging for easier meal tracking, a feature currently available in North America and expected to roll out in Europe soon. One of the Bip 6's standout aspects is its impressive 14-day battery life, which is remarkable considering its affordable price point. It is designed to offer all the essential features that a fitness tracker needs, such as HYROX race integration, without the additional costs or complexity of LTE or ECG features, which are often found in more premium models. Competing with the likes of Fitbit and Garmin's lower-cost offerings, the Bip 6 offers a similar range of features, like an AMOLED display and long battery life, but at a more budget-friendly price. For those seeking a reliable fitness tracker under $100 that doesn't require ongoing subscription fees, the Amazfit Bip 6 presents an excellent value proposition, balancing affordability with solid fitness and health tracking features. This smartwatch is available for purchase on Amazon and Amazfit's official website, offering a great option for anyone looking to enhance their fitness journey without breaking the bank. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Have a nice day and God bless you.